Today let's talk about how to remove a tree that fell down. Now if you're driving your ATV down the trail, it's going to happen. You're going to come across a tree that fell down once in a while. Now let's go get the chainsaw and then I'll show you how to deal with it. Now this tree might be way too big for your chainsaw. I'll show you what you have to do to deal with it. You won't always have a chainsaw that's big enough for the job, so in this case we have to do lots of multiple small cuts in order to achieve the same result. Every scenario and every trace are different, but there's a few basic things to remember. First, clear up the branches in your work area so you're free to move and you don't trip. Second is to figure out how the tree is going to break. In this case, the tree is hanging up by the branches on the left side and the roots on the right side. Now I'm just trying to remove the part that's above the ATV trail, but this means that both sides that I'm cutting are going to fall down because they're hanging up. Because of this, I want to cut some nice white triangle a little bit past the halfway point on the top of the tree trunk, so that this gives room for the tree to fold in itself as it's going down. Cutting the top of the tree first is assuring that the blade of my chainsaw is not going to get pinched by the tree as it's folding. There's a lot more cutting with a small chainsaw because the blade is not actually going across the trunk. With a small chainsaw, there's a lot more cutting back and forth on each side of the tree because your blade is not long enough to go straight across, but it is still possible to get the job done. Cut off all the broken pieces so that the tree don't end up twisting on itself. Always be aware of what's going on with your cut, if it's opening or getting smaller, because you might have to rethink the whole process of how you're cutting and come up with another plan. You can hear the wood cracking right now and moving a little bit. I'm hoping that this is going to want to fall on that way, and then the trunk is going to fall here. This is exactly what's happening right now. This is putting away this way. So we should be able to do some more cutting here, and it shouldn't pinch your saw. Might have to take this piece here so I can reach more inside the trunk. There's not much holding it now. Alright, there's almost nothing holding it now. Try to kick it. There you go. Or maybe if I clear those up here, I might be able to turn it. It's heavy, but not as heavy as it looks. Alright, move this out of the trail. And we're good to go. Now we can go through. Anyway, if you like this video, like, subscribe.